word problems. We have another question on it. In a positive number of 2 digits, the sum of the digits is 15. If the digits are interchanged, the number is increased by 9. You have to find the number. This is WAEC question. Remember, I promised that this week is going to be all about word problems. Now, let's try to solve this together. In a positive number of 2 digits, okay, let the number be xy, okay. What they are referring to, we have a single number rather, but with 2 digits. For example, 25. Okay, this is single number 25, but with 2 digits, 2 and 5. Okay, so let the number, this one we don't know, let it be xy. Then I say that the sum of the digits is 15. That is, if we add xy, it's going to give us 15. Okay, x plus y equal to 15. Okay, let's call this one equation 1. Now, let's look at the second statement here. The second sentence, if the digits are interchanged, the number is increased by 9. That is, we have xy. If it is now interchanged to yx, then this one is increased by 9. Technically, what we should have is yx equal to xy plus 9. Okay, when it is now interchanged, this one originally is now increased by 9. But we cannot use this. Okay, this is wrong because this 25 is the same thing as 20 plus 5 because 2 is tens while 5 is units. So 25 is just like 20 plus 5. So since we are going to interchange the digits, we have to take it into consideration. Here, x is tens, y is units. The moment it is interchanged, y is going to be tens, x is going to be units. So if you want to write this equation now, it's supposed to be 10y plus x, because this one is tens, while this one is what? Units, equal to 10x plus y. Okay, when the equation is now, if the digits now interchanged, then plus 9. So from this one, we are going to get the second equation. So we now have 10y plus x minus 10x minus y equal to 9. So 10y minus y is going to give us 9y. X minus 10x will give us minus 9x equal to 9. Then we can factorize 9 out here. So we have 9 into y minus x equal to 9. So y minus x will now be 9 divided by 9. Then y minus x is going to give us 1. So let's call this one equation 2. Generated the two equations, that's x plus y equal to 15 and y minus x equal to 1. We can now solve the two equations simultaneously. And before we do that, I'm going to interchange this. I will take let minus x be here plus y to be here so that x will line together. So we have x plus y equal to 15, then minus x plus y equal to 1. All right, now if we add the two equations together, we'll be able to eliminate the values of the x. So x plus minus x will give us 0, y plus y will give us 2y, and 15 plus y will give us 16. Then y will now be 16 divided by 2, and y will give us 8. Now, after getting the value of y to be equal to 8, we can now determine the value of x by substituting it inside equation 1 or equation 2. But let me use equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equal to 15. Then we are going to replace this y with 8. Then x plus 8 will now be 15. And x will now be 15 minus 8. Then x is going to give us 7. So the value of x is now 7. Now, the number is going to be, remember we said let it be xy. So the number is now 78. Okay. Now, if you look at this number 78, if we interchange the digits, we are going to have 87. And if you look at it closely, you discover that it has now been increased. This one has now been increased by 9 to give us 87. Thank you very much.